What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna be unboxing the Bosch GSB 30RA impact drill with 650 watts. This DY tool in a blue color that I got to my father as a gift. Have a drilling diameter of 13 millimeters, has a variable speed, it's powerful and very robust, and comes in this nice and fancy box from Bosch with the Bosch logo. Has the reverse rotation, it's easy to switch from impact to drilling mode. Comes with a drill and has this nice kit. It's very good to home repairs and it's quite professional because it's really strong. It's ergonomic. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes and our Visual Modo YouTube channels for more unboxing videos. And I'll see you later. All the best!